Here's the thing. Your eyes don't repair themselves instantly. And if you do nothing, they don't stop declining. But if you give them the right support at night, they don't just survive, they actually start to work better again. You don't need fancy equipment, you don't need to spend money on things that don't work. You just need one small evening habit that your eyes don't get without you giving it to them. One smoothie, 45 minutes before bed, is all it takes. Don't wait until you can't drive at night. Don't wait until you can't read before bed. Don't wait until you're scared to walk across your own home in the dark. Your eyes don't have to keep declining. They don't have to give up on you. Start small, stay consistent, and your vision doesn't just fade, it strengthens. Take care of your eyes, because if you don't, they won't take care of you.